Bad bitch, get up. Whoosh. Real rich nigga. Ooh. Hellcat whipper. Certified dripper. Exotic bitch, she come from overseas, I'm sassing her. A baggery on me, my bag, I'm picking cash up. A nigga play, I'm shooting movies just like Pamela.
Alright, so it's official. We're FP 4.0 bound. So we just left. It's currently 6:45. We have a 4-hour trip ahead of us, and well, we gotta wash this thing because I got too lazy to wash it, if I'm being frankly honest with you guys. But yeah, him in the bag over there. So
I'll show you what it whistle like, just listen. My diesel whistle like, come on, huh? She blow on a bigger like, down, huh? I blow through the money like.
alright, we made it. We're roughly 20 minutes away from our cabin. I didn't wash this thing, obviously, I got too lazy. We're gonna wash it. I got all our cleaning supply with us. He washed his back at home. He's not gonna wash it, but so far I've already seen 6 trucks and 2 trailers full of trucks. Should be pretty good. All right, trucks are all cleaned up. I just lost $10 at this wash station. Trucks all cleaned up. We're heading to the cabin right now. He's just cleaning up some of those spots, but let's go. Alright, it's official. It is day 1 of FP Truck Fest. We got here last night around 12:30. It's currently 7:24. We're probably gonna head out early. See if we get any clips, videos, and before the actual show. Maybe we can meet some cool people before.
I hit the highway, but I gotta drive slowly, cause that bitch gon' overheat.
Alright, so we're out here. We have trucks parked in second lot so far. We seem pretty clean. Pretty clean build. We're gonna see what it gets like later.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah, freaky girl and she come from Jamaica. Come over here, man, Papa gonna take ya. I'ma do ya, I'ma screw ya. Puerto Rican Bobby, baby, let me get right to ya. Want me, baby, I'm the cock of the walk, and I be pull up to her crib, she be hacking a draw. How you talking out of shit with my balls in your jaw? Don't believe me, I'ma let the suburb talk.
Alright, so it's day 2. We're about to leave. It's 8:46. Unfortunately, these rock lights, this whole fender will stop working. So, I'm running without rock lights for a bit. They still work, but we're heading out right now. We'll see you guys at the show.
Shake that thing, come over here, I'ma give you that ring now, drop it, shake it, let me see you break it, come on mama, we gonna make it, shake those hips to the beat when it drops, I wanna see you move it, all night long, get low, get down, now turn that thing around till the sun go down, hey, 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 mamacita, keep that thing moving, don't stop, now keep that thing grooving, don't stop, hey, don't stop, hey, don't stop, hey, keep that thing moving, bounce, bounce, drop that thing low, it's you and me, mommy, go and take it to the floor, take a pic of that booty, then go and hit send, when I give you this, now you gonna need my big fan, hot. Run it back. Come quick when I'm blowing your back. Breathing so hard, have an asthma attack. The way you're moving, baby, yeah, you need a degree. Stop and see me, yes, if we get a plan B.
Baby, no quiero, knowing that you want that. Mucho dinero. Hit her to the chest, baby, call me Jack Sparrow. You might